Imagine waking up and your entire day is already planned. Emails drafted, tasks organized, notes summarized, content prepared, and reminders set, all without you touching your phone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate your entire day using AI. And the best part? Anyone can do this, even beginners. Start your day with a brain dump, but let AI organize it for you. Open Notion AI, type everything that's on your mind, and let the AI convert it into tasks, categories, priorities, and deadlines automatically. Instead of manually organizing your to-do list, Notion turns your messy thoughts into a clean, structured action plan in seconds. This alone can save you 10 to 20 minutes every morning. Next, automate your communication. Open ChatGPT, paste an email or message you need to write, and tell it the tone: professional, casual, friendly, or urgent. AI will draft it instantly. You can even automate replies by pasting incoming emails and asking AI to generate a response. For people who get a lot of emails, this step saves hours every week. Instead of Googling for 20 minutes, use Perplexity AI. This tool pulls real-time information, summarizes it, and gives you sources. Whether you're researching for work, school, or personal use, Perplexity can condense a 2-hour research session into just a few minutes. Ask it anything: trends, comparisons, guides, or summaries, and it delivers fast, accurate answers. If you're in meetings or take a lot of notes, you can automate that too. Tools like Fireflies or Otter transcribe conversations and generate summaries automatically. You just turn it on, let the AI listen, and it gives you action items, decisions, and key points. Export the summary into Notion and your notes are organized automatically. No more writing pages of notes by hand. Finally, automate your schedule. Reclaim AI automatically finds the best time for your tasks, blocks your calendar, and reminds you before deadlines. It adapts in real time based on your meetings, energy levels, and habits. Think of it as a smart assistant that makes sure everything gets done, even when your day gets busy. And that's how you can automate your entire day using AI. These tools work together to save time, reduce stress, and make your day run smoothly. If you want more simple AI tutorials and automation guides, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Future Flow AI.